This great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, Bedliner, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.